Good day, futures traders. This is Rick with your futures trading coach aftermarket update for the live trading alert call room. Today is Wednesday, November 2nd, and I'm going to let you guys know what we did today. Today was Fed Day. Today we also had the crude oil report. Interestingly enough, we did not take any trades in gold, which there was a few opportunities, but we were in some other trades. I'm going to run through from left to right real quick here. In crude, we had 2 trades. In the ES, we had 1, 2, 3, up to 4 trades. We tried hitting it. I'm going to run through everything here. Short, we had in crude oil. We had a short at 40. Let me get you the price. Da, 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 da. It was a 49.83. 49.83 right here. That one went down, worked for about 20 ticks. Told everybody news was coming up pretty soon in the crude, so either be flat or go for a break even, go to entry in your trade. A lot of people after 20, 25 ticks are out of the trade, but especially around news. But that one did make from 61, made it up to 20, 22 ticks, but 20 was a target. So 20 ticks on that. When the market was kind of mulling around here, we were waiting for the news. I told everybody that if you want to take a trade during the news, you're going to get long 45.92. It was right around there. I said put your buy stop order there, 45.92. Have your target set, and that thing went straight up. Everybody got filled, and the thing made up to about 50 plus ticks on the trade. That was a beautiful trade there for those who traded the news. And in the ES, we got long at the open, 2103.75. Trade went up to 5/4, which is about a point and a half. That was a small winner there or a break even. Market came down. We got short at 99.50, 99/4. And again, that one made up to 2 points. Again, not a lot of follow through. Remember, we had Fed Day here. Things kind of went sideways here until the Fed report, before the Fed report. And we hit that on an RS. And then I said if you want to hit it again, you can hit it again. And now in this one, I said make sure you have profits. Some people got in a little bit lower. We hit it here on this candle, on the 954 candle. That made up to about a point and a half or so. Some people got out. They wanted to hit it again. And if you look over here to the crude, right at the same time we were in this trade, I told everybody, look, we can hit it here, but we're kind of going to the well too many times. And we're going to have to add to the trade if to try to get out of it. I didn't think it was going to go all the way up here, but I specifically said that if we don't get down to 96 here, right on this candle right here, which is when we were in this, I said if this pushes down here and it doesn't get down to 96, it never went down to 96, it went down to 98. And I said if they don't keep pushing down, meaning a red candle here, and go through it, this was probably going to give the ES a little bit of a problem. And sure enough, they went down, they bought it straight up, this went up, and so that would have been a stop out there for those who took that trade, which wasn't many people, but some people did if they wanted to be aggressive like that. So we had 2 nice winners on crude, 120, 150 tick, a 1-point winner here, 2-point winner here, another 1-point winner here, and then it would have been a stop out for anybody who kept hitting it there. Some people did bail once this came down here and they bought it up right around here. The ES was right around here. They were, it was down 3-4 ticks. I said, look, if you don't want to, potentially add to the trade, you're going to just have to, bail out of it because without this crude going down, it's going to be a problem. I said, so stick with it if you want. So again, that was a stop for some people. And that was our day. All in all, fairly good. We are going to come back again and do it tomorrow. We were waiting, by the way, for this. I said the reason why I was willing to, even think about doing this over here on this one was because we were, I said if they get below 98, stay below 98, which is right here, there's a good chance they go all the way down to 93. Now, if you look, it went to lunch. They kind of held this whole thing the whole time. But if you look during lunch, we did have the exact same trade, and it did go down and it did hit our 93. However, that was at lunch, so obviously I can't count that. Nobody was in the room, but it was the exact same trade that we were waiting for. So all in all, good day. We're going to come back and do it again tomorrow, and until then, have a great day.